Hey guys, it's me, Jonathan, and today I'm going to make a Minecraft tutorial about a railroad trap with lava. Last time we did one about TNT, but that you can only use it once. But with lava, you can use it once, twice, 3 times, up to 1,000 times as long as you have the world. So, let's go! So I'm just going to go to Jonathan's world, and I already have a nice place set up. So that's nice. You want to find a nice place to do this. It doesn't have to be too flat, but it'll be nice to do it flat. So let's do it here. Alright, so first, like I said, you're going to need a pillar of something, like maybe dirt. In this case, I'm just going to use stone bricks. Okay, and then I'm just going to make 2 pillars, and then the button, you can click it however you want. You can't do anything with it, but you can just click it. And then you place powered rail to your desired place. So this is going to be a trap. It's not really a roller coaster, it's a trap. So let's keep going. Nah, let's stop here. Okay, so then you break the railroad or anything. You break down, maybe, like, you can even do it to the void if you're doing it in creative. I'm doing it in PE right now, so I don't think I can really switch to survival, and I don't want to lose my diamond sword. So you can go 2 down, and then 4 down. I'm just gonna do 5 down. Nah, I'm just gonna do. You can do it how tall you want it to be, but you want to be as tall. Yeah, you're gonna need to, wait a second. 1. Anyways, yeah, you're gonna need 4 down. Okay, so now, then you want to, here's the fun part. You add lava, so you get lava bucket. You're probably gonna only need 1 lava bucket. So let's put that TNT away. And this time you have to be very careful. Well, not as careful as TNT, but at least careful enough that you don't fall into the lava if you're doing it in survival. So let's add some lava. I'm just going to use 2 buckets. And then you can do that. So you can fall in and blah, blah, blah. Actually, yeah, you're going to need to go. I'm just going to go like, never mind. Let me see. I just made a mistake. So you want to be careful when you're doing this. Okay, that's too deep. You're gonna need 5 down, probably. Let me see. Oh, it's getting dark. I'll just put some glowstone up. So let me see. You always want to keep a bucket with you just in case, or a water bucket if you're doing this in survival. Okay, that should be good. It's getting dark. I'm just going to test this out in day, so that way it's better. Okay, So let's place the stuff. Yeah, you're gonna need 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want the lava to go down to, yeah, 4. Never mind, sorry, I keep making mistakes. Then you build a nice little tunnel. Like this. The tunnel is optional, but I really suggest that you should use the tunnel. I'm sorry, it's for night. I'll turn it into day soon. Okay, then you're gonna need a rail again, and then place it along here to make it look like it's fine. And let me see. Signal isn't very long. I'm just gonna go to sleep for now, so I'll see you soon, because it's dark. Well, actually, before you place this in, you want to put lava in. So I forgot to do that, but let me just turn it to day, please. Alright, it's daytime, and now I can edit my stuff. Now I gotta put lava in, and we're gonna need that, don't need that. Let me see, I keep hitting the wrong button. Okay, and then okay, that should be good now. You don't want too much lava. Okay, now we need the redstone. Probably about here, which is gonna power it. No, gonna need it. Yeah, I think. Oops, mistake. Mistakes happen sometimes. So you gotta be careful with this, especially when you're working with lava. I'm gonna test this. I personally think the lava is better because you can use it over and over again, and it's more effective because sometimes, but rarely, you can survive the TNT. But there's always another TNT to blow you up. But if that doesn't blow you up, then I don't know what will. So that is a problem. But even if you manage to climb out of the lava, you're still going to be on fire, and then you're going to get killed. Okay, so I'm going to put on the minecart, and then we'll end this, and then ride, and blah blah blah. And then you're gonna be soaked with fire. In this case, I'm not gonna do anything. My minecart's gone. But anyways, well, okay. So obviously nothing blew up. And I can always do that again. So, let's go and fall in the lava. So the minecart really is gone. That's the only thing that's going to be gone. And this. And you might be gone too, but not in creative. And then you're gonna, Okay, I'll do it one last time, and then we'll call it a day. Alright. Whoa. It automatically, make me fly when I'm doing this, so that's kind of bad. And I don't know what to do. I think it just launches me to fly. I'll try that again. Sorry for the malfunction, but if you're doing in this creative and you're doing it to yourself, it might launch you up in the sky like that. But anyways, sorry for the fail on the person. First time it worked, but I don't know about the second time, and third time, and fourth time. But anyways, so here you have it. And this is kind of a long video. So anyways, I'm just going to end it here and call it a day. So, alright, thanks. Bye.